In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Grok Persona's companion platform step by step. This is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their user experience on Grok, and by the end of this video, you'll be set to explore all the tools it offers. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, head over to Google. You can do this by typing in google.com in the search bar and hitting enter. This is the foundational step that sets the stage for everything we're going to do next, so make sure to have Google up and running on your screen. Now, once you're on Google's homepage, it's time to type the word Grok into the Google search bar. Just type those 4 letters and press enter. Doing so will load a list of search results related to Grok, and it's from here that we're going to select the next destination. As the search results populate, look for the official Grok website link. It should be right at the top. Click on it. This will take you directly to the Grok website. Navigating efficiently here is key, as we're going to proceed and find the features that Grok offers in just a few moments. Next, direct your attention to the menu options available on the Grok homepage. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Personas. Click on it. The Personas section is where you'll find customizable tools and insights that can bolster your Grok experience. After that, look for the option labeled Companion. Clicking on this will lead you to the Companion interface, a crucial component where most of the interaction occurs on the platform. Now that you're on the Companion page, it's time for some hands-on engagement. Start interacting by creating a prompt. This step encourages creativity and personalization, as you'll be entering your specific inputs or questions into the text field. It's all about experimenting and seeing what kind of responses or actions the companion generates for you. Once you've carefully crafted your prompt, there's just one more step to go. Look for the Submit button. Clicking this will send your prompt into the system for processing. This step finalizes your input and sets the wheels in motion for Grok's companion to deliver its results. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the Grok Persona's companion and interacted with it. While this guide has provided a comprehensive overview, feel free to explore more features and prompts to really get a feel for what Grok has to offer. Until next time, keep exploring, and thanks for watching.